Alright, cool. Now I'm going to show you how to create a purchase request and then make it a purchase order. Off camera, we have added two more vendors, Office Depot and Staples. They will be the vendors that we are going to try to get quotes from. So to create a purchase request, go to Requests and POs and click on Create a new PR. PR is short for purchase request. Yeah. Now see this. Give this request a name. It's externally visible. Note that this can be viewed by vendors. So be careful what you put there. So here we say office supplies for the new project at Yahoo. So here's where we put the justification. Now this is useful for the approver to understand why we are requesting these items, and then we can buy those items so that they anyway. Here you say need a new laptop and printer for the Yahoo marketing project. Now, where do you want these items shipped to? You want to come to the Reno Drive office, right?
Correct.
And that's the address it's going to be shipped to.
Right.
And you can also tell them when you expect to get this delivered. You'll need this by the 21st of May. Just put that there. Now, obviously, while it makes sense to have all these fields here, it's optional, but I really like it when you fill that up. The items to purchase. So what do we need? We need a MacBook Air. We need one. You need some. You need a printer. What was that? Epson printer. Is that your favorite? Epson Stylus NX 400 printer. As you can see, you can type whatever text you want there. And here just give the quantity, and here let's add some paper because you're almost out of paper. So let's say you need 20-pound paper, A4, or is it 8.5 by 11, 8.5 by 11-inch paper. You need 1,000 sheets. See, what's pretty outstanding here is you can make up whatever units you want, and it's simple text. Okay. Now it's a good idea to click Save Request. This will not send out any emails to anyone, so you can save as often as you want. Now before we ask for approval, Pomsapp requires that you add a vendor and have some dialogue with him if necessary. So click on Add a Vendor, and you have to choose who you want to send the request for code to. So in this case, we're going to select Office Depot and Staples, and you also need to select the person you're going to send this email to. And then you say Add Vendors to Purchase Request. As you can see, these two vendors have been added. You can write any comment you have about this vendor. Like Office Depot could say, this vendor is good. This total amount is for you to fill out later when they have given you the code. Now, if you want to send a request to all the vendors, you can do it here and then select all vendors here and hit send. Or if you want to send a request to each individual vendor, you can click on this button here. So you can request a code from Bob Smith, or you can just send him a note. All right. So for now, let's just save this. And okay, let's just send a note to these people. Ask them for codes. Hi all, can you please send a code for QUOTE for the items in this PR? Thanks. and you hit send.
John or
wait.
Colby?
Cool.
Right? Because I'm the
Yeah,
one.
yeah, when you're sending, yeah, cool. Send it to all the vendors. And now emails have been sent to them. As you can see, purchase has been updated. What you'll also notice here is the comment that you sent is shown here. Shows your icon here. It means that you sent it. A quick glance, anyone can read here. It says by Colby Warrior to all vendors less than a minute ago. This was when it was sent. Who sent it? But when there's a lot of activity, it's so easy to see your picture here. You can change your picture, of course, your logo, and then you can see it there. And here's an audit log, kind of activity log, saying what happened, who created what, all that stuff. Now, you can request approval. Actually, you need to first
Create an approver.
yeah, select the approver. So right now it says Manju Koshi because she hasn't yet verified and created a login, but you can she'll still get this email. So select the approver and say request approval. Here, if you want to send some note to Manju, you can do that. Say, hi Manju, I spoke with the
Bob.
Yeah, well, I spoke with Bob and was it Laura? Bob and Laura. They both will be able to meet our needs, our delivery schedule.
Please approve.
Yeah, please approve. Now, here you see approve request because you're also an approver. You can approve it yourself if you're a one-person company, but in this case, Manju can approve it. And when Manju logs in, she will be able to see this activity on her dashboard, and there will be a oh look, your dashboard is now full of activities. What happened?
God, we did a lot.
Yeah.